What's up, guys? Gary here, and today we're going to be taking off hub carriers and putting on new ones. Say you cracked one, you want to upgrade them to RPM or aluminum or something else like that. Alright, so assuming you got the wheel off and everything, and so you're going to go from this. You're going to have this black plastic nut thing. It's going to be in with the lock pin. Comes off the half shaft here. Just take this with pliers, pull it off. Mine's loosened up for the purpose of the video. Take this pin out. You want to save all your hardware, so I suggest putting it in a parts dish as this top to a Tupperware container. That works good. Next step would be to undo the camber link, which I've already done. Just pop the camber link off here. Keep the screw on the camber link here. Then unscrew the pin that holds the hub carrier in there. It's a big pin, so just pull it out like that so it'll look like, save that, you're going to need that, and then just simply pull this out. Pull it right out. It should come right out of the hub carrier. So this is the old one. Alright. Then just pull your half shaft off and your stub axle. Save it. And then now to the new one. So they come without bearings or bushings in them. So you're going to need to save your existing bushings or get new ones or bearings if you're going to upgrade to bearings. I'm just going to use bushings because they're low maintenance, and I'm not really intending on going 65 miles an hour. I just want to bash with the thing. So this is what a fresh one will look like with new bushings in there. You can get a pack of Traxxas oil light bushings. This is the other reason. They're very cheap. You can get a pack of these for like $4 on Amazon or any major hobby part website. What you want to do is put the bushing in there like that. Either start pushing it in, pop it in, it'll push right in there. Flip it over, do the same to the other side. This side's the tougher side. You might want to just push it on the table or something like that, and then it'll just pop right in. Or that one didn't go all the way. There we go. See, and then make sure they're both like that. The bushings, they don't have a specific way that they go. So we're done with that. Now back to the truck. Other way. So simply take this back, put it in like this. You want to put your half shaft, actually. Half shaft and stub axle. Line it back up onto the other part of the half shaft. Put this through the stub axle, and then grab your pin. Put your pin through the hole here. Line it up. I'm going to go high on this one. There's two settings. Here, I'll grab the other one. There's a if you want to. I don't exactly know, but there's two. One's going to make it the hub carrier higher and lower. Is going to change your where your wheel sits, actually. So I'm going to go with the lower one, or more ground clearance. It doesn't make sense, but it does. Alright, so you're going to want to screw it in here. Just take this right here, screw it in, hold it down with your finger, and just screw her down. This little screwdriver works good. That's about it. Alright, there we go. Now she's in there. You're not gonna be able to, you might be able to over tighten it, but just get it tight enough so it's snug, not over tightened. Alright, so the next step would be to, you can either put your camber link on. Here, I gotta take the screw out of the old one. Put your camber link on, take your washer here, put your washer on the end like that, like so. What's going on here? There we go. Got RPM camber links on here, they're fresh. Haven't used them yet. So anyway, you put the camber link back on. I'll get that on later. And put your pin back in. Back into the stub axle. You don't have to use pliers, you can use your fingers, but if you have big fingers it's going to be harder. So then it should look like that before you put the plastic nut back on. Slip the nut back on there and just push. Just use your fingers and you should be able to pop it on there, or take pliers, grab the back of the stub axle, try not to get the half shaft, and just pop it on there like that. You'll hear it click. And then you're all set right there. It will have a little bit of play. Try and get it as even as possible on each side so there's reduction of wheel wobble, because your wheels, I mean, you're not going to get precision on a truck like this, but try and get it the best you can. There you go. And then simply pop your wheel back on and you're ready to go. I hope I helped you. If you're having trouble with that, you're just a first timer, like and rate the video. Thanks.